Hi everyone, this is our NJP-800C capsule filling machine. It can fill powder, pellet, granule into capsule 00-5. Fully meets CGMP, CE, USA and European Union standards. With more stable operation and faster speed, it's your best choice for medium production. Makes up with 48,000 capsules per hour. Capsule filling precision exceeds 97%. Modular design, the full set modes changing only in 15 minutes. We are trusted by Fortune 500. Our machines are sold in more than 80 countries and regions. We provide on-site installation, training, and debugging. Purchase capsule filling machine? Contact Rich Packing.